Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Ryan. And for today's episode 91, mga mas favorite products and your newest branch is Samjang Atria, Iloilo. Samjang Eatria Iloilo, one of the famous Korean resto and chicken meats here in the Philippines and the City of Love, Iloilo City. Located at Atria Park District beside Mudge Cafe, they're open every day starting 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. and for their main branch at Mandaluyong. And they're also available via GrabFood. For full list of menus and delivery details, I'll provide description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Samjang Atria Iloilo. And disclaimer na mga nose, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa mga latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. And kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong i-skip. Malaking tulong na yon sa aking channel.
안녕하세요. Welcome to Samjang Iloilo.
Sa lahat ng owners, staff, and managers, Samjang Iloilo for these amazing products and provide us with always amazing experience. And for anything else, kasama ko, mga vloggers, lagi ko,
Hi guys, I'm Mamshi Jenny. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Young Chica. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Hi guys, it's Jessica Pica. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.
Hi guys, my name is Rico Vlog. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
So, tama ka nose! Kaon na! These are mukbang for 400 pesos. This combo, you could choose 3 flavor with 6 rice. So, mabubusog ka na for its meats and also for its rice. Its quality, appearance, and also overall flavor. This is sharing pasta for 290 pesos. This pasta, it has a mixture of nuts and also for its Korean sauces and special meats. It has a delicious taste and distinctive flavor. This is S4 for 75 pesos. For this sandwich, it has a K-pops with kimchi. It has a good balance of savory, spicy sauces, the perfect sandwich, most especially for kimchi lovers. For K2 for 65 pesos. For this rice meal or kimchi fried rice, it has a good combination for its eggs, kimchi, meats, also for its soft and delicious rice. This is cheese ramyeon for 130 pesos. For those who like ramens, most especially for its spiciness and also for its cheese flavor, this dish is perfect for you. It can be consumed by 1 person or 2 person. This is a superb, delish ramen experience. Strawberry Korean milk for medium size, 79 pesos. This is chocolate Korean milk for medium size, 79 pesos. This is blueberry Korean milk for medium size, 79 pesos. This is mango Korean milk for medium size, 79 pesos. This is yuja tea for medium size, 69 pesos.
So ayun mga ka-nose, yung lahat ito na foods na hindi namin naubos, pero worth it talaga. But before anything else, yung first time dito experience for Samjang Iloilo, especially for its foods, so experience mo and review for your first time.
Pinakikita ko sa banana bilang sandwich. Busugin. For gamit namin Nigeria, ang cheese niya sakto lang pagka-melt. Busugin ko.
So ako, yung first Samjang vlog ko, hindi ako nakapag-stream. First, syempre, sarap pala ng strawberry. Kasi strawberry yung tea ko. Super masarap. Try nyo guys. Ako, lahat ito as in, hindi ko pa ito natikman. So ngayon natikman ko na. Sabi nila, masarap yung noodles.
Naubos.
Naubos. Ay, hindi ako yun.
Bestseller nila.
Dalhin ko na lang sa take out. Thank you so much dahil na-invite ako dito. Thank you kay Kuya Miko. Thank you na sana makulit.
Sana maulit-ulit. Si B-Boy. Ari, kapila mo na times, di ba?
Ayun time lang pumunta dito, kasama ko yung mga kapatid ko. And ito second time nila sa branch, bagong branch nila. Second time ko na makapunta dito. Worth it yung mga pagkain nila. Murang-mura na, makakasave ka pa, busog ka pa.
Third time ko na to, ito, for this newest branch. Sobrang na-maintain pa rin nila yung consistency when it comes to quality, appearance, and also overall experience. So, ayan mga Nos, thank you so much for this amazing experience, most especially sa Samjang Itra Iloilo at sa mga owners and managers and staff. Before anything else, muna mga inong vloggers na kasama ko, starting off with...
Paps Jenny, don't forget to subscribe.
Yell, Chica!
Kanan mo, ka-page mo, sige.
Jen Patricio, hi!
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, B-Boy.
So, kita-kits mga Nos for another brand and places in here in Lily City. Bye!
Bye!